Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Destruction_5858. I'm here alone this time. Today I'll be showing you how to do a diving game, which I don't see many game people do. So, as you can see on my screen, let me restart that in case you missed it. Here. Watch right here, okay? Close enough. Oops. Okay. Click the flag. We're gonna go. So he's diving up, and then he comes back down. You get to choose left or right. When it's above it, oh man, nice try. Here, let me erase it all. Just get rid of all of it. Okay, there we go. So there's a 50-50 chance between left and right. When you're hovering over it, it'll become a check mark. See, oh, I lost. So as you can see, let me go one more time. Please work. Okay, so right. See, right, I won, but last time I lost. That is random. So I will be showing you how to make this. Let's start at when flag is clicked. So you're going to want a backdrop. I chose the pool backdrop. You want it switched to that, and you want them to go to a suitable place. For me, it's right here. And point in the direction 90. That's very important because later on he'll be pointing in a different direction. And then when he's clicked, which is how you start the game, he's going to glide 1 second up here, and then go back down here, and then it's going to switch the backdrop to blue sky, and then glide 1 second back to the top again, and then point in the direction a little bit downwards, and then it's going to switch back to pool, and glide 1 second to about right here, and broadcast choose. So I'll zoom in on that and go ahead and put it in your code. Pause the video, and then I will show you the when flag clicked code. Okay, now we're going to go to the left because this is the left button. I'll change this. Left button. When flag is clicked, you want the costume and then the check mark. When it's clicked, you want it to go to the actual button and hide. Forever, if it's touching mouse pointer, like if the mouse pointer is hovering over it, you're going to switch the costume to this. Anything else, it's going to be regular. When it receives choose, which remember, when this code is done, it's going to broadcast choose because that, let me show you. So, right now, it just broadcast choose. When it receives choose, it's going to switch to costume this and show. And in the right button, when flag clicked, you're going to want, it doesn't have to be called did you get it right, but it's very important you do some sprite like, some variable like that. And it's going to hide. And then once again, forever, if it's touching mouse pointer, then switch costume to the check mark. Anything else, it's going to switch back to regular. When it receives choose, it's going to show and switch costumes to this costume. Now, when the right is clicked, it's going to broadcast right and then hide. Now, the reason it's going to hide is because if I take this out, it's like that, and it just gets ruined. Now, the left one is not going to hide when you do that because it's not going to get in your way. And I just wanted to make it as easy as I could. So, that's actually all the code for the buttons. I'll show you this one when the sprite collect, broadcast left, and hide. Now back in here. Now's when it gets tricky. When it receives right, you want to set did you get it right or whatever yours is. Pick random 1 to 2, and then glide 1 second to button 3, which actually now it's called. Oh, I'm gonna call it right. Thought I did that. So it's gonna glide 1 second to right. And then point in direction 90 back to regular. If did you get it right equals 2, then they win. Perfect. Anything else, say, oh man, nice try. And then it's basically the same for the left, except it's going to glide to the left button. So, I'm gonna start on the flying cat. It doesn't have to be flying cat for you. And I actually am gonna share this, but I'm just gonna slowly scroll down, pause when you get to a part you needed something on. And these right here, these numbers, they do not have to be the same as you, especially if you don't. They might not be the same as you, especially if you don't use the same backdrop as me. Keep going. Okay, there we go. And then the buttons are pretty simple. Oh, boom. All right, perfect. And now, I think that's basically it. This is, as you can see, it's a fairly easy project to do, but you don't see anybody doing it. Like, nobody does diving games. Oh, I lost. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me at Destruction_5858. And a link to this game will be in the description. Thanks for watching.